First, prepare a blank empty USB disk. Empty. Insert it to the NK controller. Okay. Go to System, 7 System. System update. Export backup. Okay, export finish. Start system. Go to parameter. Export parameter. Give it a name. Today is okay. Export success. Okay. Take off USB disk. Check the backup. This is the system backup. System backup. This is a parameter backup. We need to remove the system backup to the root category. To the root category of the USB disk. Okay, then take off. And then switch to NK controller again. Okay, we go system parameter again. System update. First, update public. Delete all the parameters. Update system. Okay. Then go to parameter. Import parameters. This way. Okay, finish.